The history of banking.
Banks are a vital part of modern economic life. However, very few people know the fascinating history of banking sector. Do you know how banks become so much important to our society? Let's dive into that history. Do you know which is the world's first bank and where it was founded? Banca Monte dei Paschi di Siena, founded in the city of Siena, Italy, is considered the first bank in the world. It was created in 1472. The bank has been operating continuously since then. You might be wondering, why were banks created in the first place? What was their purpose? Well, the creation of banks was a direct result of a rise of trade in 15th century Europe and the financial needs of monarchs at that time. Evolution of banks. Initially, the banking sector spread from northern Italy throughout the Roman Empire and in 15th and 16th centuries to northern Europe. Following this, a number of important innovations took place in Amsterdam during the Dutch Republic in 17th century and in London since the 18th century. During the 20th century, developments in telecommunication and computing drastically changed the banking sector and introduced the e-banking system. Modern banks as we know them started to appear in mid-19th century. Today, there are more than 44,000 banks and credit unions around the world. With the advent of online banking, banks have become more tech-friendly. Today, more than 41% of customers use digital banking. So, that's it in the today's video. I hope you liked it and I will be back with a more interesting topic in the next one.